Welcome to the DataStatPro podcast, exploring an AI-enhanced web application designed to solve issues with traditional statistical software. It tackles high costs, complex installation, and the steep learning curve of tools like SPSS or Stata, or the coding expertise required for R and Python. DataStatPro's mission is to integrate the entire research lifecycle, from learning the basics to final publication, all in one place on the web. How does DataStatPro offer sophisticated analysis tools while guaranteeing sensitive data never leaves the user's computer? They solve it with the privacy-preserving statistical computing, or PPSC model, which is their ethical and technical cornerstone. PPSC relies on a client-side, local-first design, meaning all primary data processing and statistical computations happen directly within the user's browser. Crucially, sensitive research data is never transmitted to a DataStatPro server, ensuring compliance with strict privacy regulations like HIPAA and GDPR by design. The platform is accessible as a progressive web app, or PWA, which can be installed directly and provides robust offline functionality for core analysis. If all processing runs locally, how does DataStatPro support advanced methods like structural equation modeling and meta-analysis? They integrate Pyodide, which compiles Python into WebAssembly, effectively smuggling a high-powered scientific computing server directly into your web browser tab. This enables the platform to execute Python's full scientific computing stack, including libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn, directly and securely in the browser environment. For massive data sets, web workers run heavy calculations in the background, ensuring the interface remains responsive. How does the AI Analysis Assistant help researchers bridge the know-what-to-ask gap, knowing which test to run? The AI operates as an expert system, starting with natural language processing. The user types a query in plain English, and the engine recognizes the intent and extracts variables. Simultaneously, it performs a super-fast, context-aware analysis of the dataset's metadata, but it is critical that it never looks at the actual sensitive data values. To avoid being an opaque black box, the AI provides a clear, pedagogical explanation, justifying its choice. How does the platform eliminate the tedious post-analysis bottleneck of formatting results for publication? Through the integrated publication workflow. First, AI-powered narrative generation translates raw statistical outputs into draft text or paragraphs. Second, automatic APA style. Formatting instantly formats all results, tables, and figures according to the latest academic guidelines, removing a massive error-prone job. The platform also includes specialized integrated creators for elements like descriptive statistics tables and methodology flow diagrams. Furthermore, an advanced latex rendering system ensures crisp, mathematically perfect equations, and the system includes full accessibility support via ARIA labels. What is the educational scope of the platform? It is a comprehensive pedagogical platform featuring an extensive biostatistics curriculum structured into modules. It utilizes a multi-mode learning system to accommodate diverse learners, supporting visual, textual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners through interactive simulations. This content is delivered using micro-learning strategies as just-in-time learning during the analysis workflow. Looking ahead, the platform aims to expand the AI's intelligence to suggest post hoc tests, check for assumption violations, and interpret complex output tables for the user, moving the AI from a guide to a true collaborator.